it's Tessa here. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it's nice to meet you. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make a good almond milk coffee because let's just be honest, almond milk coffee can be pretty disgusting if not done correctly, and it is very hard to find a way to actually make it taste good. But I finally found the recipe that makes it taste so good. It literally tastes like a normal coffee and it's all creamy and yummy and yeah. So without further ado guys, let's get on into this so that we stop drinking disgusting almond milk coffee. Now for the first thing, we're going to make 2 espresso shots. It's completely okay if you do not have an espresso machine. You can just use normal coffee, but I do 2 espresso shots. Here are the main ingredients. The nut pod is the key ingredient, the original flavor nut pod. It literally makes it taste so good. You can pretty much use any other almond milk, but the nut pod is a must. So I put some of the nut pod in, I put some of the milk in. You can really just pick the proportions that you like. Then I put it in the freezer. Now the reason I do this is because the almond milk has already lowered the temperature of the coffee, but now I'm going to make it colder, so when I put the ice cubes in, it does not melt the ice cubes. Then I wait about 30 minutes. As the coffee cools down, I humiliate myself. Then I go in, and this is just the final touches, so I taste it, and then I decide what else I need. So I add some more nut pod, I add some more almond milk, and I stir it up with the ice, and then it is so yummy. And that is the video, guys. I hope you try this for yourself. I hope you like it. Comment down below if you do it, and if you think it tastes really good. And yeah, guys, I love you all. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I will see you in 2 days.